Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. FlavorSavor, and today's Tuesday. You know what that means? It's Taco Tuesday. Now, I got this easy recipe. Now, anybody, it's literally, once you see the ingredients, you're gonna be like, wow, it's freaking awesome, okay? It's a crunchy, soft taco. Or is it a soft, crunchy taco? Alright, guys. So these are all the ingredients. Look how easy it is. It's like so dumb simple. We got our crunchy taco shells, our soft taco tortillas. You got your chopped cheddar cheese. We got our lettuce. We got any of your favorite brand taco seasoning. You got one piece of chicken breast. You got Chipotle ranch. You got some sour cream. You got half a lime. Boom. Let's get started. Alright guys, so over here I got a nice piece of small chicken breast. Don't get it too thick, get a thin one. So what we're gonna do, like literally just get your favorite taco seasoning. I'm using this one right here. Just sprinkle it on. Sprinkle as much as you want on. You want to coat it a little. You don't want to overpower anything. Do the same on the other side. That's about it. That's all you need. You just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Now just get that all tight and nice. Oh, got a little piece right here. Don't forget the little guy. Sweet, got that nice and coated. Let's get to the stove now. All right guys, get yourself a nice pan. Crank it up to a medium high. Now while this is getting hot, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 375. Our oven on to 375. Boom. Go ahead and drizzle some oil. Now our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken. Alright guys, now I went ahead and I flipped it. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the temperature to a medium low. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking it covered. Guys, while our chicken is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. So it's gonna be literally half and half. So it's gonna be half Chipotle ranch and a half sour cream and half a lime. So go ahead, take about 2 tablespoons sour cream. Do 2 tablespoons of Chipotle ranch. Squeeze the lime. Mix it all up. Alright guys, our oven is ready. We'll throw in 4 taco shells. Alright guys, our chicken is done now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping it up into little pieces. Alright, so I got it nice and tiny pieces. Alright guys, so I'm gonna set this aside. Now we got our taco shells in the oven. Now I'm gonna get our soft flour tortillas. Now make sure you get the size where it's like the same as your hard shell. You don't wanna get it too big or too small. So we're gonna get a pan, line it with foil. We're gonna lay them out. And we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some cheese all over. Now you want to get an even coat all over your flour tortilla with the cheese so it melts nice. And it'll stick to the hard shell really good. Now our hard shells are nice and cooked. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put our soft tortillas in. Close it and turn off the oven. And set these aside. Alright guys, we're going to take our soft tortillas out because the cheese is nice and melted. Look at that. Alright, so now guys, we're just gonna literally start building our tacos. Now what you do is you grab one of these, put it like that, and stick them to the side, just like that. Grab some chicken, throw it all in. Now, I'm gonna throw in some of that Chipotle ranch sour cream sauce. Throw some lettuce on. Sprinkle it with some more cheese. Boom. And then finish the other 3. Woo, baby. Now, if you're a true Taco Bell fanatic, you know you be stealing them crack packets they got. These crack packets. You can eat it with salsa, but I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these up. So I'm gonna go ahead, take one of these, put some on the edge. Oh yeah, that's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a nice bite right there. Ready for this? Let's dig in. Oh yeah, Taco Tuesday just got lit. That sour cream and chipotle ranch sauce. Woo! Is it a crunchy soft taco or is it a soft crunchy taco? Make it and tell me. This is good. Guys, I'm telling you, it's so easy. Like literally, there's like minimal amount of ingredients to make this and it just tastes so awesome. And the crack packets make it even better. Now, make it at home. Just do it. Make it today. If it ain't Tuesday, make it anyways. It's so good. This recipe will be Taco Tuesday every day. Come on. Oh my God, I'm gonna finish this. Now remember, like, share, subscribe. Give me an idea to make a recipe. Just shoot me something, I'll make it. And just remember, the world is your flavor, so make it tasty. See you on the next one.